Welcome back to AK Auto Update, your trusted source for the latest car updates and detailed reviews. Today, we're diving into the much-awaited comeback of an automotive icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. With a fresh modern twist while retaining its nostalgic charm, this Beetle is back to win hearts all over again. Exterior. The 2025 Beetle brings together retro vibes and modern design language in the best way possible. The signature round headlights are now LED units encased in sleek chrome rings. A slightly wider stance and a more aerodynamic shape give the Beetle a bolder and more mature look without losing its quirky personality. The front bumper has a minimalist design, and the famous curved roofline is more refined. Flush door handles, new alloy wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches, and a fresh rear light signature complete the transformation. You can also choose from a new palette of dual-tone colors that pay homage to classic Beetle shades. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle is more than just a pretty face. It comes with two engine options. The base variant features a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 148 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, offering smooth and responsive shifts. For those who crave more punch, there's a GT variant with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine putting out 201 horsepower. This version can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 7.5 seconds, making it both fun and efficient. The 2025 Beetle also debuts a fully electric version, the Beetle E, built on Volkswagen's MEB platform. It features a 58 kWh battery pack, offering a range of up to 420 km on a single charge. With instant torque and silent operation, the Beetle E delivers a whole new driving experience. Interior. Step inside, and you'll see the Beetle has evolved into a futuristic cocoon. A digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster and a large 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates. The round design theme continues with circular AC vents, chrome knobs, and retro-inspired toggles. The cabin is available in multiple two-tone upholstery options, including leatherette and eco-fabric choices. Seating remains comfortable for 4 adults. The front seats are height adjustable and heated, while the rear seats have slightly more legroom thanks to the longer wheelbase. With a 270-liter boot, the Beetle balances its style with decent practicality. Safety. Features. Volkswagen has left no stone unturned when it comes to safety. The 2025 Beetle comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, electronic stability control, and hill hold assist as standard. The GT and electric variants also include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. Parking is a breeze with a 360-degree camera, rear parking sensors, and auto parking assist in higher trims. The Beetle's body structure has been reinforced with high-strength steel, enhancing crash protection. It has also scored well in global safety crash tests, proving it's more than just a stylish commuter. Prices. Volkswagen aims to make the 2025 Beetle accessible while maintaining its premium appeal. Prices are expected to start at around $26,000 for the base petrol version. The GT variant with the 2.0L turbo is expected to cost around $32,000, while the fully electric Beetle E is likely to start from $38,000, depending on battery size and trim level. Trim-wise, Volkswagen is offering 3 main variants: Classic, Base Petrol; GT Line, Performance Petrol; E-Line, Electric. Each variant comes with customizable options and add-on packages for tech and safety enhancements. So that's the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, a perfect blend of retro charm and futuristic technology. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Beetle or someone new to its legacy, this car offers something for everyone. Let us know in the comments. Which version would you choose? The nostalgic turbo petrol or the modern electric Beetle? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AK Auto Update for more car reviews, comparisons and updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.